this powerful business training tutorial, I will teach you 5 smart ways to use ChatGPT to grow your business fast. Now, ChatGPT is a language processing tool that is driven by artificial intelligence. You can use it for a multitude of tasks, including high-converting email copy, business plans, marketing strategies, and even blogs. If you want your business to be a market leader in the next few years, you need to watch this video. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. I am here to help you grow your business and increase profits. I can only do that if you are subscribed, and please give the video a like because that motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Okay, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So let me now teach you those 5 smart ways you can use ChatGPT to grow your business fast. Please take notes. How to use ChatGPT to grow your business fast. Number 1 is to ask it to create your weekly social media posts. Now, most business owners spend hours each week writing social media content when they could be using that time in other beneficial ways. Now, at the start of each week, I recommend you ask ChatGPT to write all of your social media posts for Facebook and Instagram, and you will have them back literally within seconds. I recommend you use the following script to get ChatGPT to write your weekly Facebook posts. Simply change the industry in the script to choose your own. Write me 20 engaging social media posts for Facebook that are each a maximum of 80 characters for the health and nutrition industry. Let's see that in action to see what it produces. Then, once it has generated the 20 posts, input this into ChatGPT. Now write me a Facebook headline for each of the posts that is a maximum of 40 characters. Here we go. So, as you can see, literally within seconds, you will have 20 posts and 20 associated engaging headlines that you can use throughout the week. How to use ChatGPT to grow your business fast. Number 2 is to use it to generate engaging product or service descriptions. This is a great one. Now, you could have a fantastic product or service, but if the description isn't appealing, engaging, or benefits driven, you won't sell anything. Ask ChatGPT to write your product and service descriptions for you, and you will not only save time and money, but your sales will increase too. For example, let's assume you are a business mentor who offers one-to-one coaching services to your clients. Input the following script into ChatGPT. Write me a 500-word engaging product description for my business mentoring service in bullet points. I help clients identify new business trends, increase sales, grow their profits, and reach a wider audience by implementing effective marketing strategies. Let's see what it produces. So there you have it, a brilliant product description you can use when selling your service, and you haven't even had to pay for it. How to use ChatGPT to grow your business fast. Number 3 is to ask it to create SEO-friendly blog posts for your website. This is another great one. Now, one of the most frustrating things for business owners is they don't have the time, energy, or expertise for writing brilliant blogs that generate free traffic to their website. As a result, they often end up spending hundreds or thousands of dollars hiring blog and content writers. However, with ChatGPT, you can now write super engaging and highly informative website blog posts literally in seconds. In my experience, the optimum number of words for a blog post is 1,000 to 1,500, and The blog post is easier to read if it is in bullet point format with images included within the text periodically. So here's an example script to use for getting ChatGPT to write your blog posts. Simply change the requirements to suit your industry and subject. Write me an SEO-friendly 1,000-word blog for my website on the subject, how to increase sales in a business fast. Please write the blog post in bullet points. Let's see what it produces. So there you have it, a fantastic 1,000-word blog post you can use on your website. How to use ChatGPT to grow your business fast, number 4, is to use it to generate online adverts with a high click-through rate. Now, most savvy business owners and entrepreneurs promote their products and services using Google pay-per-click and Facebook adverts. They use these adverts because they can get their products and services right under the noses of their ideal customers. What's even better, they can reach a worldwide audience. Now, the problem they have faced up until now is writing online adverts that get high click-through rates. However, if you write the following script into ChatGPT, you can get it to generate all of your online ads literally in seconds. Just change the product description to suit your needs. Write me 5 Google pay-per-click adverts for my business mentoring services that include a headline and description. The headline should be a maximum of 30 characters and the description a maximum of 90 characters. Let's put it into ChatGPT and see what it produces. How to use ChatGPT to grow your business fast, number 5, is to use it to generate high converting marketing emails. I love this one. Now, since 2005, I have been using email marketing as the number 1 method for growing my business. Now, one of the challenges I and all other entrepreneurs and business owners face is writing email marketing copy that sells. Well, with ChatGPT, you can now write lightning speed, high converting email copy that not only gets opened, but that converts into sales and paying customers. So here's a great script to use to get ChatGPT to write you that all-important email marketing copy. Simply change the product or service to suit your own. Please write me a 125-word marketing email for my service. I am selling a 60-minute massage. Let's put it into ChatGPT and see what it produces. So there's 5 great ways you can easily use ChatGPT to grow your business fast. Now, the next thing to do, if you want to accelerate your business's growth even further, is click the link I have placed in the top comment below this video. You can head straight through to my website, mybusinessmasterclass.com, and you can instantly download my 80 great ways to grow your business fast. Make sure you check out that link. Also, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. I am here to help you grow your business and increase profits. I can only do that if you are subscribed. Please give the video a like because that motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you very much. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all the best for growing your business. Have a great day.